In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bybit app on Android. We'll go through the official Play Store method first, then what to do if the app doesn't appear for you, and finally some essential safety tips so you don't put your funds at risk. To get the app from Google Play, start on your Android phone and open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Bybit and look for the listing named Bybit, Buy Bitcoin and Crypto. Tap that result to open the app page, then tap Install. Your phone will download and install the official app, and you'll see Open when it's ready. A quick tip while you're on the app page: double check that the branding, icon, and publisher details match the official listing, and scan the reviews and download count. This helps you avoid lookalike apps that try to ride on the name. If you can't find the app in the Play Store, it may be due to regional availability or device compatibility. You still have two solid options. The first is to use the official Bybit website in your mobile browser. You can sign in and trade directly without installing anything. For convenience, add the site to your home screen or bookmarks, and always confirm you see the secure connection indicator in the address bar before entering any credentials. The second option is more advanced: downloading the APK from the official Bybit website and installing it manually. An APK is the Android installation file. Only get it from the official site, follow the instructions provided there, and proceed carefully. If you're not comfortable with manual installs, it's perfectly fine to stick with the website option until the Play Store listing becomes available for your device. Always download from the official Bybit website or the Google Play Store listing you confirmed to be genuine. Never use random APK websites. Many host altered or malicious files that can steal your crypto or compromise your phone. Avoid any app that calls itself Bybit but looks off, has unusual permissions, or has suspicious reviews. Steer clear of modified apps that promise extra features or lower fees. Those are dangerous and not supported. That's the correct and safe way to get Bybit on Android, whether through the Play Store, the official website, or the official APK. Stay cautious, verify sources, and you'll be set up the right way.